NABARD Meghalaya Regional Office Hagasngi Baar Kalapanlong Yaka Meghalaya Cooperative Conclave has State Convention Centre Shillong but Pynhap Yaka International Year of Cooperatives Arajar San. Yaganega Jingi Rakhilawan Pynhap do Mintri Katanat Cooperative Kasorkar Jala ba Methodius Dikar Kumukong San. Kibela Poishakanika program Kabakarpang Kikentup Nadu Kihe and a Register of Cooperative Societies, Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank, MBMA, NCDC, Urban Cooperative Banks, PACS, IVCS, FPOs, but Kikenhun Seng Baper. Kanika conclave kalayatai kumno ban pinklanya kajing trekam nadu utenrai. Kajing pentrekam daki core computer haki PACS, but kajing penkala ban la kintiu ya kajing la ban kamai pisa. Hadian kanila yoru ya kajing penshai kabakambanya na kiriu shempang. Kikana baseso hakarukam trekam ki FPO but SHG. But kajing sami ki kasnam shaki IVCS ki batrekam bha ki bala pentrekam yaki EPACS.
It's really an honor to be here with you today to attend this program, the closing program of the International Year of Cooperative Society in 2025. I congratulate the team of NABARD, the regional office from Meghalaya for organizing this Meghalaya Cooperative Conclave. On this very occasion of NABARD 44th Foundation Day, and has been said by the chairperson that this event, it is not just a celebration of the institution, but it is the celebration of the millions of rural life that NABARD has touched, empowered, and transformed over the past 4 decades. And NABARD, since the establishment, has become a cornerstone of India's rural development architecture, promoting financial inclusion and strengthening of cooperative across the country. And here in our state, the beloved state of Meghalaya, the state government is working very closely with NABARD in several sectors and in several initiatives, ranging from the promotion of the cooperative groups and the farmer producer organization, to watershed development, rural infrastructure and financing, the climate resilience agriculture, which have played a vital role in improving livelihood and expanding economic and opportunities.